A couple of weeks ago, Apple announced a new high-interest savings account. Today, two unnamed sources are reporting that on its first day of offering that savings account, Apple received an impressive $400 million in deposits. Over the next 4 days, they received a total of $990 million in deposits. By the end of the week, 240,000 new accounts had been opened. This is a new revenue stream for Apple. New revenue can create new profit margins. Apple reports earnings on Thursday. Will they provide guidance up or down with these new numbers? I'll be paying attention to their guidance for my long-term hold investment accounts as well as for a possible short-term trade. You know what they say, buy the rumor, sell the news. For more information like this, like and subscribe to my channel, Brown Girls Trade Too. Happy trading!